Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a look at a case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this case is made by Temdan. I've used them before. They're pretty good cases, offers good protection. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at them. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Temdan for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case, waterproof, built-in screen protector, 360-degree, full body heavy-duty protection, shockproof. IP868 waterproof. Now I haven't seen that advertised with the Temdan case before, but I guess that's what they're saying. I'm not going to test that, but it does offer 360-degree protection because it does have a screen protector built in. Now this case is $20 on Amazon. You can get a 10% coupon if you click the coupon, and it is on Prime. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box the case comes in. Cardboard box, eco-friendly. Not much on the box in terms of branding. Dirt-proof, shock-proof, scratch-resistant, military-grade protection. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. All right, so now these cases are 360-degree protection, so they're going to offer a little bit more bulk to your device. As you can see, you got a lanyard that comes with this. You also have some dust removal for the screen protector, I imagine, when you put this on. But it's a pretty solid screen protector right there. So it's got a little plastic inside. We peel that off. And it's got a clear back, all right? Okay, so you got a warning. Make sure there is no screen protector on your device before you install this case, all right? Because that might impact the way it works, all right? So now they got a little cutout right here. And I've seen that with other devices, and I didn't particularly like that because that means that it doesn't offer 360-degree protection. Let's take this plastic off right here. All right, and I think there's some plastic on the inside as well, or maybe it's just this. Let's see. Okay, so I peeled off the protective film, but there's no gap there, but it's got a circle where you can see that's where the fingerprint sensor is going to be at. And I'm not sure if they made that piece a little different than the rest of the screen protector, but it does cover the entire screen. All right, and it's fairly sturdy. Okay, so now this is the back piece. Let's peel off the back cover here. So that's a clear back right there. You see, you got the camera, and so the camera has a glass protector on as well. So everything is covered. All this stuff has cover on the back. You can see that right there, okay? It's all smooth. And it's going to be protected because it is raised up a little bit, all right? And the back is raised up a little bit, so this won't be touching the surface. This is a fairly thin piece on the back. Now, this is a little bit different than what I've seen in the past. Got a little rubber right there to protect for softening purposes. Now, we're going to go ahead and put this on. And you got a lanyard as well. Now, the lanyard, I'm not sure. Lanyard goes here, okay, in the corner right there, all right, if you want to put that on. I'm not going to be installing that, though. Now, let's go ahead and put this on the device and see how that works, all right? Okay, so when we get ready to install this, you want to make sure the device is cleaned off really well, all right, so you have no dust on there or grease or oil. Now, you install into the front screen first, so you place this device in there. All right, so it's into the front screen and it sits in there pretty well. You can even work the power button without the back on. So you can see you got a little spacer there that helps hold this phone in place, and the back piece is going to slide into these slots here, all right? So now we can get the back and put this on. Just got to make sure everything is lined up. So just press together once you get them lined up. Okay, so as you can see, it's going in. Okay, so we got the case sealed together, and this is a pretty tight seal. Now this might be waterproof. Everything is sealed. There's no gaps there. This seals up really tight. The way it goes around there, you can see that. So this could be. I know it's going to protect against dust. I'm not sure about the water, and I think it could be. I may test that after all. Now you can see down at the bottom that everything is closed up. And that's how you get the seal. So you use this corner right here and you open this up so you can get to the S Pen. All right. So you get to the S Pen that way, right there. So some people might not like that, having that flap there, but it's a rubber flap. And then this is where the charging port is. All right. So you're going to open that up same way. That's rubber as well. Okay, so the charging port was a little hard to get out. Maybe that's because I sealed it and got it pressed in between the creases somewhere, but that's the charging port right there. It's all sealed up with a rubber seal, but it's nicely done, and it's all detailed very nicely. Your lander would go right there. Got some ridges for grip right there, power button, volume down rocker, all that works well. Nothing on this side right here. And you got your mic hole right there, all of that lines up nicely. And look, this is a protective case, a good protective case. Now it's thick, but it's not the thickest I've seen, but you're going to get good protection with this. Let's see how the fingerprint sensor works. Okay, so it did work. I think it does slow it down just a little bit. But it works though, it does work, all right? So if you're looking for something with 360-degree protection that could even be waterproof, this may be the case for you, all right? So the fingerprint scanner does work. It slows down a little bit, but it does work, all right? And as you can see, the screen is still responsive. So a nice looking case. You see how everything lines up right there? No problem, okay? Now, we're gonna check out wireless charge to see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's see if this works with wireless charge. All right, so I didn't get anything on that position there. So it does pick up wireless charge. I just had to set it right. So it picks up laying down. Let's see how it does standing up. Okay, so I didn't get wireless charge when it was standing up. Okay. Let's see. Let's lay it down. So it does pick it up when you put it sideways like that. All right. So wireless charge does work. May not get it in all position, but it does work. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Temdan case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's a 360-degree protective rugged case, waterproof, they claim, and I think that could be possible. I will test this as we go along and I start using it. I'll let you know how that works, but it's a pretty good case, all right? And for the price, I think you get a good protection and good functionality. Now, the fingerprint sensor is a little bit slow with this screen on, but it does work, all right? Wireless charge works as well, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.